Hey everybody, it's me, Lady T. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a ring display. Actually, I'm making this for my sister, Shirley, who is doing paparazzi. And I just wanted to make her something quick and simple so that when she's doing her paparazzi parties or videos, she can have something nice to display her her jewelry. So here I'm using a Dollar Tree. I'll be using two Dollar Tree frames. They're 4x4. They have glass on the front and the back, but I just took them out and I'm just using the frame part. And as you can see, I'm using some paper dowels, and these came from, like, when you buy the vinyl and other items like that. It's not the paper towel ones. The paper towel ones are too soft, but these are dowels that I've gotten off of other craft items that I have purchased. So I'm using some felt that I found in my closet. I don't know when I bought it, but I did. And because I didn't have enough, I used two different colors, purple and black. So next you see me putting 2 rows of bling that I got from Totally Dazzled bling wrap. I'm Lady T's things that bling. I have to bling it out. So I'm putting it all the way around, and they're all 2 strips each. Now, if you're a person who likes bling, you have come to the right channel. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And we are so excited that we have reached 1,000 plus subscribers. I am stoked. I am so happy. I was screaming when I saw that I had reached 1,000 subscribers. And I'd like to give a special shout out to my SiStar Cynthia, Cynthia C Fashion. If you look her up on Facebook, you can see her and join her page. She's a seamstress and she has encouraged me all the way. I would like to give a shout out to Rhonda, my friend and my aide, and the main person in my life, my husband, Bishop Gerald Scott, who has encouraged me from the beginning. When I first started my YouTube page, he gave me hints and told me what to do. No, I didn't listen at first, but I'm glad I finally did listen because his advice did pay off. So I want to say thank you to my subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see me do in the future. I'm just so happy. And as you can see, I'm still putting on some bling right there. Now you see me putting a kickstand on the back of it. That was because I had only used one frame and it wouldn't stand up by itself. So I decided to put another frame on it, not thinking to take the kickstand back off, but you don't really need the kickstand with both of the frames. And then I put the back on there so I can place a covering on the back of it. And I still did it wrong. I should have put the cover on there first, then put the frame on. I wasn't thinking. I was just trying to get this done. I really wasn't thinking. But that's the other option. You can just put the fabric on the back of it and then put the frame on it. Will save you some time. Trust me, it will save you some time. So I just went on and glued all 4 sides, and I'm definitely not going to let the glue be seen, so I'll put the bling wrap on the side panel as well. So now I'm using some quick dry glue that I believe I got from Michael's, and it does dry very quickly. So if you would like to use that, that's a good idea if you're in a hurry. So now I'm cutting the fabric. It was easy to adhere, so either way, if you want to put it in before you put the other frame, either way is fine. It just depends on what you want to do. And I didn't know that I didn't need the kickstand, so I'm still over here doing it with the kickstand on. But you can, or you don't have to. I'm just going to leave it on because when she displays her jewelry and wants to take it in and out, it won't be falling. So, that's all. I think that's very pretty. Why make it when you can buy it? And make it the way you want it. And bling it out the way you want it. Now, this is option 2. And I saw Kelly Barlow do this. And I had asked Rhonda if she had some of these foam things at home. And she just happened to have these. So, as you can see, I'm taking them apart, cutting them down to size. And I'm using this for her because her colors, she loves orange. So, these I cover too with black fabric. You'll see that. But I'm taking the tabs off of the frames because it's a little too hard to glue them together with those tabs on there. And some of them were a little difficult to get off. So you see me using a knife. I'm not using it very good. I could have cut myself, but I was trying to get this thing done, y'all. So I got the tabs and the screws. Don't forget to take the screws out as well. So I got the tabs and the screws, and I can put that together. Now, as I stated before, these frames have a front side and a back side. It's 2 pieces of glass that comes with this frame. So therefore you have a front and a back side. And as you'll see later on in the video, I had to glitter the back side as well, so that you won't see the curlers on the back. Girl, when I tell you I was so over this glitter, I was over this glitter. But what Rhonda wants, Rhonda gets. So we're doing this orange glitter that I got from probably from Kmart. It was either Kmart or Michael's, but it's a real pretty orange. And I did a beauty tray set for her that's orange. That's why she chose this to be orange to match her beauty tray. But I can do these in any color. They don't even have to be glitter. They could be fabric. They could be bling. It could just be paint. There's several options to do this. And although she doesn't like me to seal the glitter on there, I do it anyway because the glitter will be everywhere. And I hate it. I'm still, like, this is days later and I'm still got glitter all over the place. It's crazy. So here I am rolling the rollers. Do not put hot glue on the roller. I don't even know why I did that. Like, it's foam. And it's just going to burn the foam. I don't know, y'all. Sometimes when I'm doing stuff, my brain goes on vacation. So I just had some black fabric laying around, and I'm just using it to cover these rollers. Again, don't do that. Don't put the glue directly on the roller, because it will melt it. Then you have a deformed looking rod in you. See, doing this hot glue is your friend. And these little sponge rollers really are nice. They're really nice. And again, I did see Kelly Barlow do this with these same rollers. And it was funny that Rhonda bought these. When I looked at them, I was like, dang, that's the same one from the video. So no, although this was not planned, it is exactly the ones that she used. And I like these too because you can take the stick out of them. I think I showed you that. I might have been too fast. But there's a stick inside of these that make them bendable. A wire, I should say. And I took it out of each one of them. Of course, I had to because I had to cut them down to size. But I saved them because you never know what you might need them for. And I do have an idea for them already. So. And this is, I'm doing this on a black because I'm using a black material. That's why you can't really see me rolling it on there. So there we are. We have them inside of the frames. And now I'm just trying to protect them from this glitter I'm going to pour in there. I should have done the glitter first, but I didn't. Again, my brain was on vacation, and it must have had a good time. I don't know. So I'm just redoing the glitter because Rhonda actually doesn't like me to put Mod Podge on it because it takes away the shine. Even though this particular Mod Podge says, what does it say? Gloss. It says gloss, but it does take away some of the shine. But as you'll see at the end, it was fine. It was fine. And don't do things the way I did it. Do your box first. Of course, you're going to have to wait to... You can put the boxes together, and you can still put the foam in there because it's foam, so it still bends. You can put it in there. I would just advise you to complete your box first with the glitter, and then put your foam in there, because when I tell you I had problems with the glitter falling all over the rods, and I just made more work for myself. So do it smarter, and do your whole box before you put the rods in. It'll save you some trouble. Trust me, I know what I'm talking about. So now that's the back of it where the rods were exposed. So I left the glass in there because I needed something to adhere it to, but I didn't want anybody to see the rods from the back, so I did that. I could have put a piece of black fabric on there, but because she likes glitter, I just went on ahead and did the glitter. Now here she is.
Hey guys, look. Ain't this beautiful? See what my friend made me? A ring holder. Ain't this beautiful? I can put all my rings in here now.
Who chose the colors?
I did. I like the burnt orange flaming.
All right.
Flaming. But yes, thank God she had all the colors you need. But this is the color I chose. Ain't it beautiful? I thank her for it too. Now she's going to make me a bracelet holder.
And cut. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you haven't already become a subscriber, would you please consider doing so? Please like and share and comment down below. I love looking at your comments and responding to them. Again, thank you for 1,000 subs, and I am so excited. All right, God bless. See you in the next video.